Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a delicious fire roasted restaurant style salsa. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so first we're going to begin by roasting 4 roma tomatoes, 2 chile serranos or jalapeños, a quarter of a small white onion, and 1 garlic clove. Okay, so once everything is nice and roasted, we're going to transfer it into our blender cup. And just make sure that you peel the garlic clove. To a blender cup, we're also going to add 3 chile de árbol, 1 handful of cilantro, half a cup of tomato sauce, the juice of half a lime, a quarter teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And now we're just going to pulse until we have reached our desired consistency. Okay, so once it's like that, now we are ready to transfer it to our bowl. Okay, so now we're just going to transfer it to our bowl. And now you just want to try it for salt, and if you need some more, go ahead and add it. And for me, it's perfect. So now, just like that, we have our delicious fire roasted restaurant style salsa. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now, of course, you want to allow your salsa to cool down completely before you eat it. But let me tell you that this salsa is seriously the best. I actually need to have it in my fridge all the time because I eat it with everything. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. It's seriously the best. So good, super delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a delicious fire roasted restaurant style salsa. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.